Today our Curio is in Sobha Royal Pavilion and we invite you to come see Mr. Aman and Mrs. Falguni's house with us, also known as Coco's Paradise. Hi ma'am, hi sir.
Hello.
So now that we are finally in the house together, tell us how was your experience and how is the overall outcome of the house?
Yeah, it has come out really well. So like that, whatever we thought, it has come out like that. And like we have seen the renders, like however it was in renders, like it is like better than that, I would say. And yeah, overall experience, if you ask, like that is also really good. Like whatever things we felt, okay, this is not fine. So our Curio team has done the work like nicely and they have fixed each and everything. That was quite like amazing thing about the Curio.
What about you, sir?
I think from the very first meeting, I believe when we first connected, just to get an overview of what our Curio does and how the design works on, I think somewhere the frequency matched between the client and the team. And I think we were very much sure from the very first meeting, although we did checks and balances with other interior firms as well. But somewhere I think we knew that, okay, let's go with them and see if somebody is better or not. At least we did not find anyone. And I think it was great from the designing phase and then coming to the execution. Obviously, you know, few hiccups will be there here and there. Nothing can be absolutely perfect. But I think it was very well managed. We were able to achieve whatever timeline you guys committed. I think we achieved it and here we are. In terms of how it came out, almost everybody who has come has only praised, and they're like, they take pictures and they take ideas that, okay, we'll also tomorrow when we design our house, we'll, you know, take those ideas. So, and that is what, you know, when you design, that is what everybody wants to hear from their house, and that has come out really well. So yeah, all kudos to the team.
And yes, one more thing I just want to make a point here. Like there are things which we thought, okay, this is fine, but our Curio team was like that, okay, like no sir, this is not fine, no ma'am, this is not fine, we'll fix it, we'll do that. So that is actually a very nice thing. And wherever like I feel, okay, this is the thing that thing needs to be replaced, and because of that, like without replacing that, it cannot be fixed. So like I was thinking, okay, maybe like interior company will not do that, but in that terms also I found our Curio team is really good. If there is one small scratch also, they are ready to replace, they are doing it. So it's quite amazing.
Which one area would you say is your favorite in the house? We'll start with you, ma'am.
First is TV unit. Definitely, like it has came out really well. Like we thought, okay, we have shown you the image and we were thinking, okay, like this is the image, but I can understand the, like we cannot replicate 100%, but I can say now this is the 100% we have replicated, and even we have like done really good job here as well. And the second one is this crockery unit. I like this a lot because of this length, and like we have not cut it down in between because of that. So yeah, these two places I liked a lot. Yes. And yes, one more thing is there, that is my dresser.
Okay.
Like that curved one, yeah, which has come with the glass, and then that is the dresser that is also came out really.
So, and what about you, sir? Which area do you like?
I think almost all the areas, but yeah, personally I like the foyer. You know why? Because
right,
my input worked and
right, yeah,
with the this dream catcher. Apart from that, I think I like my workstation a lot. The design which I had seen, I wanted that whole zigzag thing. That came out really well. So for me, yeah, that looks good. And then the bar unit, obviously, that has also come out well. It's all good, but yeah, if I have to point it out, I would pick these as my favorite spots.
So ma'am, discussing about the master bedroom design, if I remember correctly, we had started with this wall in terms of the designing. And we liked the design where the headboard was going up to the ceiling. So your idea was that the headboard should go up to the ceiling to get that luxurious feel. And then the color of it was also another interesting point, because we wanted to have the similar shade in the dresser.
Yes.
Which I think we could not achieve. So tell us about that.
Yeah, so initially, like you were right, like we have decided this headrest, like how it should look, and the mirror and wainscot beading, it should come with some wall lights. Then we thought like fabric will match with dresser.
Yeah.
So it has like totally, if I'll say, like it has came out really well, and because of that I think this headboard has like
it's a highlight
point.
Also the wardrobe, I think the glass is very different what we've
that you have suggested wardrobe. Like we should use that ribbed one.
Yeah.
I really liked this ribbed pattern. It is actually not giving that clear glass thing, and it is giving that frosted kind of a thing, and not very common thing which we use nowadays, fluted one.
Right.
Yeah, so it has come out really well with that champagne handles.
Overall, the bedroom looks quite luxurious and nice. With really different colors, I think. After the TV unit, I think, ma'am, this was another wall which was quite debated on, because there was a lot. It's a huge wall. We didn't want to do too much, at the same time highlight the photos.
Yeah.
So how did this come out to be finally?
Yes, like it has come out also really well. Like we had a lot of discussion. Initially we wanted to have this wall as a highlighted wall, but after that TV unit like design, we thought, okay, let's keep this wall simple. So that's because of that, like we had just this charcoal panel and with some photos, and that is also like, that's why we have like decided to have white frame so that it will look seamless.
Thought came out well that one wall has to be a family picture wall stuff, and then once we move to the other one, that will be kind of a travel and whatever memories we keep creating while traveling. That should come out well.
I think this was one wall which was a surprise to me as well, because till the end even I didn't know how it would come up to be. Because wainscot beading was something we had decided on, but all of this, I think credit goes to you to have really decorated it really well.
The idea was yours, so
yes.
not taking away the credit.
And when like you were telling like we'll have that pin-up kind of a wall, so I was like little skeptical. I was thinking it will look like a pin-up board kind of a thing, but no, like after like seeing this, I am quite satisfied. So
this is like a highlight but in a nook, so can't really see from the outside, but looks really nice.
Yes.
So sir, your first decision of going for Arkirio and getting this house done with us, how do you think it was the right decision? How did it turn out to be?
Absolutely, like no doubts, no two cents about it. I've always told Keshav and you as well, the way it was coming out, obviously I'll always try to be your biggest cheerleader of Arkirio and keep telling people, it, I've already referred a couple of people, and so far they have been also very, very happy with the work which is going on. So like I said earlier also, right, there is no second thought that we would have tried with somebody else or not. And second thing is, I don't see any reason not to try. Again, everybody has their own cost and everything factor in place, but yeah, at least you should go and try and talk and see, if Arkirio matches your requirement. That should be done. That's what I've been telling everybody out here in Sobha Pavilion or my other friends as well, that just go and try it out. If the costing and everything works, yes, please go ahead. But it's a company, you should at least go and try and talk to them, definitely.
Yes, definitely. Like if I'll say like if you want to have some customized design and if you want to have some do some research with your designs, then go for Arkirio, no doubt, no second thought on that, because we have few things in our house which we were thinking it will come out really well or not, but you have given the try. So if I'll talk about that guest bedroom wardrobe, initially we were thinking we'll go with PU, but no, we have thought okay, we'll go with laminate, and that has that was an experiment. Yeah, it has turned out really well.
Many times we just don't tell also people.
Yeah.
From PU we say it's a PU.
Yeah, these kind of things if you want in your design, then I would say go for Arkirio without giving any say. So because of that, I would recommend everybody to go with Arkirio, and even I'm recommending few of my friends who are getting the position, so I'm recommending them as well. So yeah.